Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne and today we are looking at how to buy HBAR or Hedera Hashgraph as it is often referred to. So as always, we are going to jump into show you the tutorial, but before we dive in, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button if you enjoy the content. Hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers and it would mean the world if you hit that subscribe button. If you want to be getting notified, make sure to hit that bell notification icon. We are dropping multiple videos every single week, so you're going to want to get notified when they drop to stay on top of the fast-moving cryptocurrency space and hit your cryptocurrency goals. So, you may have heard a lot about Hedera and HBAR, and you may be wanting to get in on the action. Hedera Hashgraph has been performing pretty well the past couple of months. In particular, I think it's up almost 200% since October, November of 2023. So it has been performing very well. We are going to show you two different ways how you can purchase HBAR, and we're going to break it down in this video. So the first way that you can purchase HBAR will be by using a centralized cryptocurrency exchange like Binance. Binance supports HBAR. I do know that HBAR is also supported on other centralized exchanges like Coinbase and like Huobi, for example. I'm pretty sure Bybit features HBAR as well. So most of these centralized exchanges work in a similar fashion, but we are going to be looking at Binance for this particular example. But what you need to do, obviously, first and foremost, is create an account on that centralized exchange. So for Binance, come over to Binance.com, click on the sign up button, enter your email, create a password, and then you'll be into your dashboard that looks like this. You will also have to go through KYC identity verification, so you're going to have to do the AML KYC step in order to deposit funds into your cryptocurrency exchange. You've got a few options for doing those deposits. What you're going to want to do is click on the deposit button at the top of the screen here. You can then deposit crypto. So if you have a different cryptocurrency exchange that you already use, you can transfer your assets or crypto or stable coins from that other exchange into your Binance account, for example. Or if you hold them on a wallet like MetaMask, you can transfer and deposit crypto into Binance by doing that. But the other options that you probably might favor would be a bank deposit. So using Binance as your on-ramp, you'll do the exact same thing if you're using Coinbase or another exchange, where you send a wire transfer from your bank account to Binance or to Coinbase, and you deposit US dollar or euro, for example, into your account, and then you use that US dollar or euro to purchase your HBAR. The third option here is buying crypto directly with your debit or credit card. You can do that here on Binance, but they do charge a much larger fee for doing it, so we're not going to look at that in detail. For Binance in particular, we're going to show you a different service in a moment. But to do a bank deposit, you're going to basically click on bank deposit. You're going to set up your fiat deposit in order to send that wire, whether it's euro or US dollar. You can basically choose your currency. Let's use euro for this example. You would then initiate, let's say, a SEPA bank transfer. Normally or oftentimes, this will arrive in your Binance account the same day. If not, it will take kind of 1 to 3 business days, but I've never had it fail to arrive in, more than 1 to 3 days. So, could be worth considering, like if you're in a real hurry to use or purchase HBAR. We'll show you the best option in a moment, but this can take 1 to 3 business days typically for doing a wire transfer. Once that wire transfer arrives, you will see the funds in your spot wallet. Now, we are using a test account here on Binance for the purposes of this video, but when you come over to your spot wallet, after your US dollar or euro gets deposited into your account, you will find it in this area. So, for, again, example purposes, let's say that you have deposited US dollars. You will not see USDT here. You will need to transfer it from USD to USDT, but we're going to show you how to do that. And ultimately, once you convert it into USDT, you can use the convert function here on Binance to purchase your HBAR. So what you're going to do is click on the convert button. Let's say, for example, you've deposited $1,000 worth of fiat into your account. You would then type in the 1,000 USDT that you want to change for HBAR, and we're going to type in HBAR into the search box here, that will show us that we are setting up the US dollar to HBAR conversion. And then when we click the convert button, it's going to show us a preview to say that our $1,000 is going to buy us 9,284 HBAR, and we can execute that conversion by clicking on confirm conversion. Obviously, I do not have balance in this account, but you will simply click on this confirm conversion button and it will immediately transfer or convert your US dollars into HBAR. So that is the first way that you can purchase HBAR using a centralized exchange like Binance, like Coinbase, like Huobi, or like Bybit as an example. The second way that we're going to look at here is using a service like ChangeNow. So you can come over to changenow.io, and ChangeNow basically allows you to exchange any crypto for any other crypto, but they also have this function to buy or sell crypto with your credit or debit card. So this will be the option for you if you are in more of a hurry to purchase HBAR, because it basically allows you to do it by, creating a transaction on your card and receiving that HBAR pretty much straight away. So again, let's use US dollars as our example. And let's say you want to purchase $1,000 US worth of HBAR. We're going to type in HBAR into the search box here. And again, it's going to set up the conversion and it's going to set up the amount of HBAR that we're going to receive. You will notice that with this option, you're going to receive less HBAR. This is because this particular service and similar services do have a higher fee or a higher transaction cost to it, because they are they're providing a service and they take a bigger chunk or a bigger transaction fee versus if you make a bank deposit into something like Binance. So you are going to get slightly less HBAR, or you're going to get a slightly worse conversion rate for any cryptocurrency when you're using something like ChangeNow. But the benefit of using a service like this is that you're going to get it pretty much straight away. The prerequisite here is also that you do need to have a HBAR wallet in order to receive your funds. So you're going to need to create a HBAR wallet with something like Hashpack, for example, where you basically get Hashpack. You can download it as an app on your phone. And once you set up your account, you're going to create a wallet. Very important that you write down your seed phrase on a pen and paper so that you store it for future reference, because if you lose that, you will lose access to your wallet. So very important that you write down your seed phrase for your Hashpack wallet or for any cryptocurrency wallet once you create it, so that you have a documentation, you have it documented and you have it for future reference. But basically, when you create your Hashpack wallet, you will receive you will have your wallet address. And when you go to set up this transfer or this purchase, let's say again, we're doing our $1,000 US to HBAR and we click on the buy button, you'll see that it's going to generate the quote for us once again. And you do have to enter your recipient wallet address. So this is why you need to create your Hashpack HBAR wallet. You're going to create your wallet. You're going to copy and paste your wallet address in here, and you're going to set up your transaction to purchase $1,000 US worth of HBAR. And then, as you can see, they've got different options here with ChangeNow for supporting most popular credit and debit cards: Apple Pay, Google Pay, Revolut, Swift, etc., Visa and MasterCard. So you literally make that transaction and make that purchase, but make sure you double check your HBAR wallet address, make sure it's correct, because this address that you put here is where these 9,193 HBAR are going to arrive. So they are the two most seamless ways to purchase HBAR or Hedera Hashgraph. You want to use either a centralized exchange or use a service like ChangeNow. Let us know in the comments below if you're purchasing HBAR, if you are stacking up on HBAR tokens. What price do you think HBAR can get to? We've dropped other videos on the channel with different HBAR price predictions, so we're always looking to see where you think the price action for HBAR is going to go by the height of this bull cycle. Let us know in the comments below. Smash that thumbs up video on your way out. We would greatly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, as we said, and it would mean the world if you hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date with all the videos we are dropping, multiple videos every single week, and you're going to want to get notified when they drop. As always, we will catch you in the next one.